Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will discuss how to collaborate with other YouTubers. A simple guide. Collaborating with other YouTubers is a great way to grow your channel, meet new people, and create exciting content. When two creators work together, they combine their audiences, which can lead to more subscribers, more views, and fun experiences. Here's a simple guide on how to do it. 1. Find the right YouTuber. Look for YouTubers who create content similar to yours, have a similar audience size, but don't be afraid to reach out to bigger or smaller channels, and share your interests or style. For example, if your channel is about cooking, find another cooking YouTuber or someone who makes food-related content like a food reviewer. 2. Get to know their content. Before reaching out, watch their videos. This helps you understand their style and know if your content would match well together. It also shows that you genuinely care about their work. When you contact the YouTuber, be polite and clear. Here's how to do it. First, introduce yourself and your channel. Then, mention why you like their content. Next, explain your idea for the collaboration. And of course, keep the message short and respectful of their time. For example, you could say, "Hi name, I'm your name, and I love your videos about topic. I also make videos about your topic, and I think our audiences would enjoy collaborating. I have an idea where we could briefly describe your idea. Let me know if you'd be interested." Plan the collaboration. If they agree to collaborate, it's time to plan. Decide on the content. What type of video will you create together? Will you both be in the same video, or will you make separate ones? The format, will it be a Q&A, a challenge, or maybe a joint project? Where to post? Some collaborations involve making 2 videos, one for each channel. This way, both audiences get new content. The schedule? Make sure you have enough time to film, edit, and upload the videos. Promote each other. When the videos are ready to go live, help each other out by promoting the content. You can mention the other YouTuber in your video, link their channel or video in your description and comments. Share the collaboration on social media, tagging them to excite both audiences. Stay connected. After the collaboration, keep in touch. Building long-term relationships with other YouTubers can lead to future collaborations and even friendships. A simple message like, "Thanks for working together. Let's keep in touch," can go a long way. Final thoughts. Collaborating with other YouTubers is a fantastic way to grow your channel and have fun while doing it. Remember to choose the right people, be professional, and always support each other. This way, both of you can benefit from the collaboration and build a stronger YouTube community. Good luck with your collaborations.